In this video, we will show you how to set up a slide size in PowerPoint. Let's say you want to design a 5x7 postcard. Click the Design tab, click the Slide Size button. If you do not have this button, you should have the Page Setup button instead, which is also in the Design tab. Once you select Page Setup, the Page Setup dialog box will open. You can choose from one of the options. Let's select Custom and enter 5x7. Let's select Landscape as the orientation and click OK. In this example, since we are changing the slide size to a smaller size, they are asking us if we want to scale down so that the text and picture can fit in the new slide size. Let's scale down. I want to show you how it will look if we select the portrait orientation. If you need to save the slide as a PDF, I have included a link to a video in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up.